Did you know your car relies on more than just gas to run smoothly? Beneath the hood lies a complex system of mechanical parts that depend on a variety of essential fluids, each one playing a critical role in performance, safety, and long-term reliability. Neglecting these fluids can lead to expensive repairs and serious damage. In this video, we'll walk you through the 6 essential fluids your car needs, what they do, how to check them, and when they should be changed. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your vehicle running like new. 1. Engine oil, motor oil. Let's start with the most well-known fluid, engine oil, often called motor oil. This is arguably the most important fluid in your vehicle. It lubricates vital engine parts like pistons, valves, and the crankshaft, helping them glide smoothly without friction. It also helps cool engine components that your radiator can't reach. Over time, oil breaks down and collects sludge or debris, reducing its effectiveness. That's why it's critical to keep it clean and topped up. How to check your oil. Park your car and let the engine sit for 10+ minutes. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, then pull it out again. The oil should be between the min and max marks and have a slick, amber appearance. Gritty texture or black color. It's time for a change. Milky oil means coolant may be leaking into the engine, a major issue. Oil change recommendations. Conventional oil, every 3,000 miles. Blended synthetic, every 4,000 to 5,000 miles. Full synthetic, every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Always use the oil type and viscosity listed on your oil cap or in the owner's manual. 2. Transmission fluid. Second to the engine, your transmission is one of the most expensive parts to repair or replace. Transmission fluid lubricates gears, cools internal parts, and enables smooth shifting. Types of transmission fluid. ATF, automatic transmission fluid, usually red. MTF, manual transmission fluid, often amber or brown. CVT fluid, used in continuously variable transmissions, specific to the system. Signs it needs changing. Shifting problems. Burning smell. Dark or dirty fluid. How often to change? Manual, every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Automatic, every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, or per manufacturer guidance. Some newer vehicles have lifetime fluid. Check your manual. 3. Differential fluid, gear oil. All cars, whether front dash, rear dash, or all-wheel drive, have at least one differential. It distributes engine power to the wheels, especially when turning. Gear oil lubricates these components and withstands high pressure and heat. It's thicker than motor oil and doesn't have a filter, so contaminants build up over time. When to change gear oil. Every 80,000 to 120,000 miles. If you hear whining noises or notice vibrations while turning, it could be time for a fluid change. Types. Mineral oil, suitable for older or simpler diffs. Synthetic oil, better performance and longevity. Limited slip additives, needed if your diff is limited slip. Check your manual. 4. Brake fluid. Your braking system runs on hydraulic pressure. When you hit the brake pedal, brake fluid transfers that pressure to your brake calipers or drums to slow or stop the car. Why it's important. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture over time. Moisture lowers its boiling point, and under heavy braking, this can lead to vapor lock and brake failure. Check for these signs. Soft or spongy brake pedal. ABS warning light. Fluid level drop. Visible fluid leaks. Types of brake fluid. DOT3, 4, 5.1 glycol-based, absorbs water. DOT5, silicone-based, does not absorb water. Change interval. Every 2 years, or as specified by your manufacturer. 5. Power steering fluid. If your car has hydraulic power steering, it uses fluid to assist turning. Without it, steering becomes heavy and unresponsive, like driving an old-school truck. How to check. Locate the reservoir under the hood. Look at the level and fluid color. It should be clear, red, pink, or light amber. If it's dark or foamy, it's time for a change. Note, some newer vehicles have electric power steering that doesn't require fluid. Always refer to your manual. 6. Coolant, antifreeze. Your engine coolant keeps the engine from overheating or freezing. It's a mix of water and chemicals, usually ethylene or propylene glycol, and flows through the engine, radiator, and heater core. Why coolant matters. Prevents overheating. Protects against freezing. stops corrosion inside the engine. Coolant types. IAT, for older cars, change more frequently. OAT, long life, great for modern engines. HOAT, hybrid technology, combines IAT and OAT benefits. When to change? Typically every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on the type. Always use the correct coolant type, as using the wrong one can damage your engine. Bonus, windshield washer fluid. Okay, it won't damage your engine, but dirty windshields are dangerous. Washer fluid cleans your glass and helps maintain visibility. Quick tips. Top off regularly. Use de-icing fluid in cold climates. Never use plain water. It can freeze and clog the system. And there you have it. The 6 essential fluids that keep your car running reliably and safely. Keeping them in check is one of the simplest ways to avoid breakdowns and costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car maintenance guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.